Okay, just checking the pipe. As you can see, it's quite shallow. It's quite shallow here. It goes along. But then the problem is that point is lower than that point, so the water's going to come into here and bubble up over here. So this point has to go down, or that point has to come up, right? So you can see the drain is there, and then at this end they've gone and concreted part of it into that thing to give it a bit of stability. So that's the end point there. So that'll be the low point. We have to come and fix all of this up there. That's the high point, secondary high point, and that. So we have to repoint this one because it's not going to work. That point's too low. Right, that point's too low. It's below that, so this has to be fixed. Okay, I've taken the pipe out. I'll just cut it short because that's going to be the high point we're coming in. So there's the pipe. There's the pipe there. So I've got to re-level all of this, clean up the bottom of that drain, put some more rock in, put the ag pipe in, and yeah, just basically tidy it up.
This is a Ray Hadley reason we're playing this too, Ray, because I mean, you've been so good about playing my music, and I like to send you stuff that, and a lot of stuff I send you isn't stuff that I'm even putting out over there, you know, some stuff I like that,
That's the footing from the Pergola. So I've had to flatten all of that out. Got rid of a couple of tree roots. I've got to go level that off. I'll put the ag pipe in here.
Sail off in the sunset, we're heading to Mexico.
It's the footing for the original Pergola. Yeah, I wasn't happy with the fall, so I've taken the whole pipe out just to make this area a little bit easier to work with. So the whole thing's come out. So there's a bit of concrete there. So I'll have to try and connect that all the way up through to there. So I think it might be a lot easier to control the fall by doing this. That end there wasn't actually glued in. So anyway, just got to be careful of that spot there. I don't want it collapsing. Alright, so we keep going. So now I've just got to put in all the connection points. I think that'll be the easiest way to do this. Probably connect the ag pipe down around here somewhere and then have that go straight into a T along here. It's probably the easiest way to do it. Yep, alright. Yeah, so I've basically taken all the stuff out. So now I've got a clean trench. All the way over, all the way there. Relay the pipe. I think it's a much easier thing to do than try to get it all to fit back all against their original thing. Yep. So there's my target. And here's my other target. There's my target there, my target there. Okay, we're ready to put everything together, but I'm going to put the collection bucket over there. I think you just make a better fit and then connect it all up and concrete it.
believe this will entrench racial equality in the
So that's the first trap down. Had to put the bricks in order to keep it down, otherwise it's buoyant and it floats on the concrete. So I had to, yeah. So yeah, I had to do that. I only used about 2/3 of the bags of concrete. I'll probably put the rest in later.
Is there oversupply of services? Is there gouging? The government says funding could be reallocated.
So we're gonna start finishing off. That's the input for the ag pipe, that's for the main pipe. So all that's levelled, all of that is now glued and sting. That's an adapter. That's a 900 to 65 adapter.
Trusted on-site drug testing kit provider to reduce risks and improve workplace safety. Just visit Lane
873.
now. Back to Drive with Chris O'Keefe on Sydney's 2GB.
It's 5:07. Thank you for your company here on Drive. 131873 is the open line number. Now, it's hard to believe, but the run up to the 2024 American presidential elections already begun.
Okay, all the formwork's taken away. We have the pipe now laid.
873.
Did you know that with regular vitamins, only
Got the take off there, formwork, just to keep the thing in there, put the line
using nano-sized liposomal technology
up here. And we've got this guy. So what we'll do is we'll tape that up, put the rocks and just fill it all back in.
He was once a close associate of Mongol Toby Mitchell. That ended last year. Mitchell was ousted. The other notable former members include Sam Abdul-Rahman and Jason Addison finished soon after as well. Bell stayed on with the national regime led by Queen.
does check that they're individually to about 5 a member, and then they cross-check against the electoral roll. The electoral commission will at times phone people make
Australia's leading landlord insurance specialist, provides specialist cover for your property and rental income. You can have confidence with
Well, I think we're entering needlessly uncharted and difficult territory when we go down this path.
Without wanting to sound uncharitable, if someone only can muster a 2% deposit, that's not the property for them.
And that's why we have rentals. Now we need to encourage building so that we can have more rentals and put, as best as possible, some downward pressure on the overall trajectory.
Okay, so this is the final job, all done. catch point there. Catch point there. It's Pergola. All done. So the grass should grow back fairly well.